Okay, so here's an updated video for your Plangrid email change. A lot of people have been running into some issues, so I wanted to make an updated video. So go ahead and log into Plangrid. I'm going to be using Jonathan's login. In the top right corner, you'll see your name. You click on it, account settings. Then you'll edit your personal information and you delete the -inc and you hit save. Now if you saw, there's a prompting that comes up and it says something went wrong and it kicks you out. That means that the .com email is already in use. So somebody has invited Jonathan to a project with the .com email, and Plangrid captures it and thinks that it is a legitimate account. It is not a legitimate account. So here's what you do. You log back out and you sign up. Doesn't matter what you use, but you have to use the new email address. So once you log in, now the Jonathan at altaconstruction.com, he is now logged in and secured that. What you need to do is change the email address to something else, which then frees up that domain and it'll allow Jonathan to change. So I'm just going to call it Jonathan at Gmail. It doesn't matter what you put it to. It doesn't have to be a legitimate email. It can be a fake email. So I'm going to hit save. Okay, it went ahead and took that. Now I'm going to log back out. And I'm going to log back in as Jonathan at altaconstruction-inc.com. Go back to the account settings and delete the -inc. And let's see if it takes. There you have it. That's how you change your password. If you have this issue, this is the fix. If you need any help, please give me a call and I'm more than happy to help you out.